Breaking news coming in. The Delhi High Court has sought a status report from the centre and the Delhi government over the 916 foreign nationals who attended the Nizamuddin Markaz event of the Tablighi Jamaat in March this year. The High Court has sought a response on a plea seeking the release of those 916 foreign Tablighi Jamaat attendees. Next hearing is scheduled now for Tuesday. Anisha Mathur is with me on the phone line. Anisha, take us through the details of this notice that has been issued to the central government and the state government on those 916 foreign nationals who attended the Tablighi Jamaat event.
Well, the petition in the High Court has been filed by a group of people who have been kept under quarantine. These are men who've come in to India to participate in the Tablighi Jamaat event. They're foreign nationals belonging to several countries, including the USA, Malaysia, Indonesia, Kyrgyzstan, Myanmar, and several others. What they are saying is that they have been held in institutional quarantine in Delhi since the 1st of April on orders of the government, despite the fact that they have all tested negative for COVID-19. And more importantly, they have challenged an order that was passed by the government, by the central government, directing that all of the 567 foreign nationals who were in various quarantine centers were to be handed over to the Delhi police for further questioning. Now, what they're saying is that they are now being prevented from going back home, that even though they are negative, they have tested negative, and they are not responsible for any decision-making process that had happened. They cannot be charged with any criminal conspiracy or any other charges that the police is currently investigating. And what they are also saying that they have not been given the list of the blacklisted foreign nationals and why people have been blacklisted. So there's a number of issues which were opposed vehemently by the Delhi government and the central government. The High Court has now issued notice, asked for a status report on the investigation that is currently going on, and the hearing will now be on Tuesday.
Thanks very much. Next hearing on Tuesday. Anisha getting us that update.
Hi everyone, Preeti Chaudhary here. Hope you like this video. For latest news and analysis, like and subscribe to the India Today YouTube channel. And don't forget to press the bell icon to stay updated. Thank you for watching.